all set? All right.
Just backing out of my driveway. And I was like, oh, so we have poles here now.
Oh yeah.
I was like, oh,
They weren't here before.
There's like so many kids on my road. I was like, oh.
Is there? Yeah.
There's usually like no one. They're not like I'm running around. I was like, okay, well, you guys gotta stay in one spot.
While you're backing it, yeah.
Yeah. Do not want to hit them.
No. Yeah, right turn.
Am I going right?
Yeah, right turn here. So today we're going to do a mock road test and a final assessment.
I was hoping to try to get it in December, but I don't think that's gonna happen.
You never know. Like if you could check the website after you book your road test, take the first available date they have, and then check the website every day. See for cancellations. Might get something earlier, like in December. So.